Hello, little penguins. This is Alex in a new science lesson. This week, we are going to learn a little bit more about plants. Okay, I'm going to show you the things that we are going to see during this week in science. Last week, we were talking about living things and non-living things. For example, here I have some of the activities from last week. And here we can see different things. And if we want to know if they are living things or non-living things, well, we have to think about the characteristics of living things. So we said here that living things are born, okay? They grow, they they reproduce. We also say that living things can move. Okay. Plants can also move. They move differently. They grow towards the sun. Also, living things need food and water, and living things need to breathe. They need air. They need oxygen. And finally, at the end, all living things die. All living things die at the end. So those are the characteristics of living things. So I can see here different things, and to see if they are living things or non-living things, I can think about these characteristics. For example, a glass of water. A glass of water is born. Water is born? No. Does it reproduce, for example? No. Does it grow? No. Does it die? Does it need food or water? No. So a glass of water is a non-living thing. It's the same with a bench. It's a non-living thing. But for example, a snail, okay, it's an animal. It's a living thing because it's born, okay. It reproduces, it grows, it needs food and water to live, it moves, it breathes, it needs air, and finally it dies. It's the same with people like us. And what happens with trees and flowers? Are they living things? Let's see. Plants are living things because they are born, they grow, they reproduce, and they can have more plants, okay? And finally, they die, okay? So that's how we say that plants are living things. Here we can have the plant life cycle. Since plants, when they are seeds, okay, then they're starting to grow. Do you see how it grows little by little? Okay, the roots, the leaves, the stem, they grow, they make bigger and bigger, and they reproduce. With the seeds, we can have another plant, and at the end, they die. Okay, so next you have to complete this mind map, this flower, with the characteristics of plants as living things. So you have to do it on your own. So see you, penguin kisses.